going through the street of Instagram yesterday, I saw this face mask of 500 naira, 500 naira, and you're still dulling, eh? I already collected, I got contract to make 20 pieces, which I'm going to supply tomorrow, and you're still dulling yourself. You can also make it, you can even sell for as low as 200 so that it will move fast in your area. So you can choose to make double. This is the double one, and the one I got, I told you I got the contract for 20 pieces, is the single one. So the person requested for single. This is it. You can make money while at home. No money is small, eh? Wise up, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone who showed me love on my first upload. I'm really encouraged. Thank you so much for subscribing, for the views, for the likes, for the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So today we'll be learning how to make this Ankara face mask with or without a sewing machine. You'll be surprised if I tell you that I made this face mask rather without a sewing machine. I used just my needle and my thread. So stay tuned as we'll be learning how to. It's so simple to make. Like my cousin made this one just by watching how I was doing. So many people have been requesting for this video, and the good thing about this particular one is that you don't need a machine. What I'll be using is just my thread and needle. So let me show you the materials needed. So this is my needle and my thread. Then we have elastic, scissors, chalk, and my measuring tape, and the fabric we'll be using as well. So for this fabric, the measurement is, this width is 15 inches while the length is 8 inches. 15 inches, 8 inches. Then this my elastic is 6.5 inches each. So you make two pieces of the elastic, 6.5, 6.5 in two places. That's all we'll be needing. So let's start now. So we'll fold the fabric into two equal half. Then we'll measure 3 inches here, 3 inches. Then from here to we'll measure 3 inches. Then we'll make use of our needle and thread to stitch it up. Those places I measured 3 inches each, we'll stitch it up. So let's go. Thread out. So after this, you do it like this. Then we have to get our pressing iron to press it out. Okay, so now we are going to iron it out this way. Okay, so now we are going to fix in the elastic band. So this is how I'll fix it up. So this way, and we stitch it up. For the other part to do the same thing. Same thing for this and two. So we are done stitching both edges together.
So now we'll have to stitch it this way, this edge. this allowance we left here behind before. So we have to turn it inside out of the allowance. So this is what we have after turning it inside out. This is what we have. So now we have to iron it. Okay, so after ironing this way, okay, so then you put it into 2 equal half this way. You press it. Bring it out like this, then like this, like this. Okay, so like this. Iron is so hot. And you bring it out back. Then after that, we'll start splitting it this way. You split according to the fold. So we folded it while pressing it to. Then 3. Then after folding it, we secure it with our thread, with a needle and thread. So after pleating it, then we press with an iron so that it will stay. Be careful not to let the iron touch the elastic band, please. Hold the edges with you hold it here, you hold it here. We stitch it together in these 2 places.
Outcome. So make yours, take a picture, a video, post on Instagram and tag me at facemask. The link to my Instagram handle is down in the description box. Please click on it and post me and let me see. Let's look at it together. Yeah, I'll be glad to see your own sample. I'll be very glad. And don't forget to watch the last video on how I started my business without capital and how I made 6 figures from it. You'll be glad you did. The link is in the description box below. So comment and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much. I really love you.